Once the king of Jackal got a watermelon in a field. He carried it to his house. He had never seen that type of fruit before. He had not any type of idea. He thought that he would ask other jackals.
How can I eat this fruit?
But he thought at once that all jackals of forest would laugh on him. That our king is so foolish. That he does not know how to eat even a fruit. Now Jackal was in great tension. He felt hungry. When he saw that fruit, Jackal thought all that night. Then he got an idea. Early in the morning, he ordered his jackals to come at the meeting place quickly. Within half an hour, all jackals gathered at the meeting place. The king said,
My dear friends, I have got a fruit today. When I went for a morning walk, it is very big, and I can't eat it alone. As you know, I eat very little. So I want to share the fruit with my all friends. But before getting your part, you have to answer a simple question. My question is which part we use to eat of that fruit. And I know the answer very well. I want to know, who is the cleverest companion in our court? The first jackal who gives the right answer will get 2 parts.
The other jackals began to scratch their heads. They gave many thoughts, but couldn't understand which part of fruit is edible. They all saw watermelon for the first time like their king. After some time, a young jackal came forward. He said,
Our respected king, I have never eaten this fruit, but I know the answer. But before reply, I want permission to break the fruit.
After breaking, he said,
Sir, we can't eat its outer surface and its seeds. Therefore, we can eat only red juicy part of the fruit.
A jealous old jackal said,
That child is wrong. Sir, I have also not eaten it. But I have seen many people eating it. They eat the seeds only, and throw its skin. So, sir, we should also eat the seeds.
The all jackals were with old jackal. They thought the old jackal was the better option to choose. The king was very happy, because he thought that he had the right answer. He announced,
We should eat only the seeds of the fruit. I am fully satisfied with the old experienced jackal. The red part should be thrown. The punishment of young jackal is that he'll eat the red pulp, because he was responsible for the answering.
At the end, the king distributed the seeds. to the jackals besides the young one. He got the red juicy pulp as a punishment. And old Jackal got 2 seeds as the reward.